here is Vivian from Hangzhou Zhonghe Farming Machine Company. Now today I will introduce our decoller and the steptile farming machine. Now first I introduce the decoller. For decoller, there's manual decoller, electric decoller, and hydraulic decoller. Now for weight, there is 3 times decoller, 5 times decoller, 10 times, 8 times, 7 times, or 5 times, 15 times. Now today, we first check the manual decoller is 5 times manual decoller. It's mainly used on the move machine. Here is the battery. We try to connect this one. Battery and feeding the material into the forming machine. This one is the brake. Then they turn here. Then the decoller will stop or it will work soon. Our manual decoller. Actually, this one, our manual decoller is different with others. You can see here the wheel is very big, so it's very easy to operate. And we also install the brake. Now let's see other products. For this one, it is 3 times hydraulic decoller, and for this is 5 times manual decoller. It's mainly used on the start machine. We also can do the 2-head manual decoller for you. Means there's 1 head, and here is another head. So it's very easy for you to change the coil. Now let's really introduce our 10 times hydraulic. This 10 times hydraulic our process. For this 10 times hydraulic, let's say 8 parts. Now, the first part is the arc bender. This arc bender is mainly used to put from the forklift to put the coil on this arc bender and 90 degrees softly to clear. Then you put the coil to this level, and then the arc bender will 90 degrees softly to this part. So the coil can put here very easily and more confident. Here is the coil cap. Our offender is mainly controlled by the coil cap. So sometimes you think it's very confidently with the offender can tell us then we can use that. And for the coil cap, the max height, there's the max height and the key height. The max height is 5 4 6. If you think it's okay, then we can adjust the one suitable. Under the coil cap, there is hydraulic heater. This one is mainly control of our coil cap. This street machine is different with other this part. For common hydraulic controller, there's mainly 4 bars support to hold the coil cap up and down. But this machine is not. This machine is to make the car level and down. The one thing of our design is coil is very smaller. It's here. It's very difficult to put it into the manual. But this design, we use the It means that it can up and down, up very fast. And easy to put the small rollers into hair, and that's very common. Now, this part is mentioned. Ours is also different in others. You can say here. You can say our manual. There's 4 parts, but for other hydraulic decoller, they only 3 parts. The advantage of the 4 parts is it can make the strength more evenly when it is shrink and the 4 parts will all have power, so it can prolong the using life of the machine. Now you can see our hydraulic decoller, the frame, it is a full frame. Not like other factories, they use other frames things not very strong, but they use a full part, so it can work very stable. Sometimes if your coil is very big, they can install the pressing arm. For the pressing arm, it can press the coil, can make it can prevent it loose when the manual is running. Here, this one is the ground sensor. This function is when the decoller is running, the roll forming machine is also running. If the 2 machines are not in the same speed, now there will be lots of coils on the floor. But for this ground sensor, if we install it, then it can prevent that many lots of coils on the floor. If the speed, the 2 machines speed is not very similar, so this member can run smoothly between the two machines. Now, then this part we use the feeder here. So that means this part can move here and move back, move front and back. The advantage is if your roll forming machine is not in the center, so then you need to remove the decoller or you need to remove the forming machine. But when this is done, you just move the hair, okay, move the hair to front or to back, then make the manual in the center of the roll forming machine. So it is operate very easy. Next part. Next part is pump station. And the motor controls the manual. There is also the brake system. When you meet any emergency to make the machine to stop, you just brake here. It can stop the machine. For this machine, we also design the remote control for you. When you stand in the far distance, far from the decoller, but you need to operate the decoller, then you just need the remote control to control the speed, to control the switch, to make it on or make it off. You can see all the cables on this decoller. They all use the cable tray to protect the cables. So it also can make the cable to use a long time. When we design the machine, we consider all the details for you. We ensure you can use the machine to use for more years. Now the control box for the decoller. There's alarm. If there is some emergency, the alarm will also ring. And for the control panel, you can also tell us if you speak Spanish. your operator can only know Spanish or French or Korean, then they can design different language for you, not only English. So now let's see our another machine, second machine, steptile reforming machine. For this there's no car, only a recorder. If you also need this model, can just tell us different cost is different price. You can choose the line suitable for you. Now let's see how the steptile machine. For the steptile machine, there are mainly three kinds. One kind is the common speed. Speed is about 1 to 3 meters per minute. That machine is the middle wall plate with the chain transmission. And with the common cutting system. Second speed. Second speed is middle speed. The speed can be 6 meters per minute. It's also middle wall plate and with the chain transmission, but with the new cutting system. Third speed. Third speed is the high speed. It is abstract speed and also with the gearbox transmission. And the cutting method is also a new design. Now this machine is the middle speed one. Let's introduce it part by part. First, for the feeding system. For the feeding system, there's two rollers to support the coils when we feed the coils into the machine. With the two bars, so the coils can fit into the roll forming machine very smoothly and also protect the coils, no scratches. At the feeding part, we also install the two rails and here, and these two strips. The advantage of this part is when you're feeding coils into the roll forming machine, maybe the coil is not in the middle of the roll forming machine. So for other factory machines, they use the tool to here. But ours, you can just turn here and turn here. Then can adjust the width. It will be okay. So it is very easy for you to operate the machine. Now here, they also install the cutter for you. The cutter, you can see here, it can be very smoothly. When you feed your materials into the machine, for example, you just want to produce this part and other no need, so you can just cut the coil here. Put the coils into the roll forming machine. That's okay. For this part, it is the film coating. If you need this part, we can also install it for you. Then for the frame. For the frame, ours is also different from others. If your view height is very big, then we will design the big each frame for you. So this one, it is 350 each frame. But if your view is very high, it's very difficult to produce. Then we can produce a small machine for you. Each frame we can do 400 each frame for you, or 500 is upon your requirement. Ours another advantage is here. This part, maybe you can notice it very clear. Here is the diagonal design. So some factories, their frame is just a fair frame. But for ours, we need is this one, that here as the middle. So you can see it makes the machine very stable, and it also increases our machine weight. So the machine can run very stably. Uh, then, let's see another part. The middle wall plate. The middle wall plate, they use 18 millimeters or 20 millimeters, but some factories now still use the 14 millimeters and or 16. The advantage is here. The shaft is fixed on the middle wall plate, and if the middle wall plate is too thin, then the shaft cannot fix very well after a long time use. Then maybe there is some loose or the machine cannot run more stable. It all can affect your work. Then for the shaft, this machine shaft is 80 millimeters, but for some machines we can also design 90 millimeters to make the shaft more bigger, especially for the high-speed motion. For high-speed motion, they always produce the bigger shaft, and all the shaft they all do temporary treatment to prevent the shaft rust, and also increase the hardness of the shaft. Then produce the shaft. During the rollers and the shaft, there's also the loops to insert the shaft. And they also make two nuts here to make the rollers and the shaft connect very stickly. So make it will not lose after a long time use. And it all can prolong the machine using life. Then for the rollers, puller and the spacer, they all do chrome coating. For our chrome coating, it is 3 millimeters thickness. But for other factories, they only do 1 or 2 millimeter thickness. So if for this thickness, it can increase the rollers and spacers hardness. So it can press with more power and also press more beautiful roofs. In the rollers, there's also the ball bearings. It's the ball bearings. So then all the shaft is dry. Then the rollers is also dry. All the rollers can run at the same speed, so can move very smoothly. But because the inside there's ball bearings inside the roller, it can also make our rollers is more big than others, so it can run more fast. So for here, you can check all our screws are all bigger than others. This count we use the insert design is also different with some other factories. This advantage is we insert this part to here, then it can make the shaft and the middle wall plate connect very stickly. If you not use this design, you just put it here, then the shaft after a long time use, the shaft will be loose. From the middle wall plate, or it cannot run stable, or the shaft is loose, then roller is also loose, so it cannot produce the beautiful roofs for you. Also, if the roller cloth not do thickness, then after long use, the paint, the hollow paint is also scratched by the rollers. Another part, because our rollers is big enough, it's also so big, it's big enough. So the distance is here. So it can feed the coils very smoothly. But if your rollers is smaller, it is very easy to scrape the coil paint when produce the roofs. It's also our advantage. Now this part, we all use the double paint here. Now there's the protect tower to protect the things and also for the safety. Now it's only the rollers bridge. You can see in our rollers is very bright. It's very bright and big than others. So with this bright and big rollers, top height will produce the beautiful looks. And you can also see here the motor. Our motor is also more big than others. We all use very big one. And the encoder. The encoder is Omega. We all use the famous brand for you. Now let's say another part. Another part is the hydraulic pump station. Our hydraulic pump station is also different with others. With each pump station, we all use the cooling fan. That's because in some countries, the temperature is very high. For example, India or Europe or South America, their temperature is very high. So after the machine using a long time, the oil will become too hot. So it will can affect the pump station using life with the cooling fan here. Then then it can make the oil not so hot. Then the machine with the long time running. It's also a very big advantage. And also, you can say our hydraulic pump station is more big than others. It's very clear. You can see it is really so big, so strong than others. So it can give more power to the cutting blade. Make the cutting blade when cutting or pressing with more strength. And the values on the hydraulic pump station is also big. So there is big air into the cutting blade. Now you can see for our cutting blade, it's really another big advantage for us. This machine, this machine can run faster than the common machine because of this cutting blade. Now this cutting blade and the pressing blade is all in one full pass. It's not like the common ones. Common ones is pressing part at the hair and the cutting part at the hair. From cutting part and pressing part, there's a little distance. But for our you can see it's really a full pass. And this cutting blade is also so strong than others. For the it is heavy weight. It's also heavy weight. The advantage of this design is that is 3 pounds. For 1 pound, it is have save cost, save the risk when you produce the blade that tiles. Second point is it can with high speed, high efficiency. And the third point is easy operate. Then now let's explain the first one. Why it can save waste because when you produce the glazed tiles for the first meter it is wasted because more valued the roof will touch the cutting blade, make the cutting blade broken. So you need to base the parameters then produce books. And the end of the book, because the encoder is far from the pattern plane, so it cannot show the sequence. So the last parameter is also useful. But with this new design, it not have so much for this. For example, the first parameter. For the first parameter, you don't need to vary this problem. The cutting plate and the flattening plate is close, very, very close. So from the flattening plate, it can directly to the cutting plate very easily. And the end part, and the roots, the encoder is also very near to the cutting plate. So it can also not have so much wasted hair. Sometimes it saves 2 meters roots for you. So after a long time use, it is really a big thing for you. Can save your cost. And also you can see this cutting plate. Here is the add oil here. You can see it all are very big. And the bars, the pillars are all also very big and strong enough. So you can use it for a long time. Before delivery the machine, we also mark here. We also with all marks. It address this cable is control weight point. This cable is control weight point. It can all marked for you for your easy operate. But our another advantage is we use the aviation plug. So when you get the machine, all the cables are connected very well. So you just need to plug in, then the machine can run. So you no need our engineers go to your factory to install this machine for you. It's really a big thing for you. Now this part is the PLC control box. You can see our PLC control box is also different with others. The control box is so small and it's also very light, but ours is so big and so strong enough. But the steel is also like also big than others. And they use this model. Your operator is very high, and it's also very easy for him to operate this machine. If he can just see here to press the buttons here and to touch the screen. If your control box is so small, the operator is really so hard to operate the machine. It can be big trouble for him. For the PLC and for our emitter, we all use the data brand. If you need other brand, you can tell us. We can change for you. And for other parts in the control box, we all use the famous brand. It's very easy for you to get it the local market. When some parts is broken or has problems, you can just change it for you very easily. And for the connected cables, we connect it very neatly for you, all with the marks to show you which one is what function. So it's very easy for you for the maintenance. This part is the cipher. For the cipher, this machine is met with the manual cipher. It's economic one. But if you need automatic cipher, using it is very slow and not easy to operate. Then we can change automatic cipher. There's the 6-meter cipher and the 12-meter cipher. Also, for the automatic cipher, they also with different design. And for the decoiler, this machine matches the manual decoiler. And you can also choose the hydraulic one. Also hydraulic decoiler with tap, so it's off tap. For because every task we all use the high quality high quality one, so our machine cost is higher than others. Sometimes usually when we send price to clients, they will say our price is higher than others. But one machine is made of thousands of parts. Each part we all use a high quality one. So there's so many parts. So there the producing cost will be big difference. That's why our price is higher than others. But actually, for the low price machine, when you use 1 month or 2 months, the cutting blade will have problem, or the hydraulic pump station has problem, or the shaft, the rollers, or cannot produce the beautiful roofs for you always. It also makes trouble for you. Although when you buy the machine at a very cheap price, but when you use the machine, it's really so costly, and it's also not deserved to do so. So if your budget if your budget is limited, you can choose you can tell us. We can change some specification for you and give you economic machine. But do not buy the very cheap machine. It really bring many problems. And if your budget is enough, then you can choose automatic decoder and automatic splitter. Make the machine run at very high speed. Now our engineer will test the machine for us and we will show you how our machine works. You can pay more attention to the cutting blade to see the difference with the common one. If your budget is allowed, it's really a good choice for you to save your cost and to improve the speed. Now our engineer will test the machine. You can see the cutting blade is really so big. Now this big. It's also very thick. Sometimes our cutting blade the engineers feeding the carrier into the machine. You can see with the supporting bar, the coils can fit into the machine very smoothly. And also with here it comes just a simple of the material. Or you can operate the machine so easy. Just filling the coil. No need other adjustments. With the big roller and the shaft, and our shaft and the big roller are so big. So from this is a beautiful look. Okay, the package plate. Because the press plate is very close to the cutting plate, so it smaller other components. Same press. Cutting plate and the pressing plate is fixed, so the tips and the is also fixed. It's also a big advantage for this machine. Let's you can see with the new design, the speed is really fast than the common one. Let's see our samples produced. You can see the connect. Left port is connected by it can connect very easily. You can see here, this part. And also you can see the full sample. There's no fence is for all. It's very beautiful. And the distance from here, all are very perfect. 用量这个，用量这个吗？这出来是多少？920 1201出来了。The feeding material is 1 meter. For the cutting, you can also see there's a very strong bar here. It's also different with the common machines. With this strong bar, the stress. So the stress on the cutting can be also very good. And it also can prolong the using life of the cutting plate. Also, for the PLC control, right? There we also can also mark the different language for you. Now this one here is the English. We can also change the French or Spanish or other language for you. It's all upon your own requirements. We can also produce other kinds of steptile reforming machines. You can just send us your food sample or the soil for us, then we can design for you. Different, and you can also tell me your budget, then we can design better to produce the machine for you. Now you can see for the manual cutter working. You just use the manual cutter to cut it to two parts, so that part not produce, just produce this part. It's really very convenient. And for this part, from here to here, our machine is also very higher. Is also higher than others. For others, because our shaft, if our shaft is big enough, so this part is also higher than others. Some factory, in order to save their producing cost, although they say their shaft is 80, but for the real machine, it's not the 80 millimeters. It should be smaller than this. If I really use the 80 millimeters, this part is very big, but for others, so smaller. And we never produce any low quality machine for class. We can ensure the machine can move for a long time, but never produce any low quality one. And as so any requirement, you can just contact us on Alibaba. Thanks. Bye.